the findings of the Attorney General were profound and extremely disturbing. And I think the point, as you indicated earlier, is that a governor in this position cannot possibly hope to be a leader of the state of New York. Some of the charges that are before us for consideration relate to abuse of power, and that it's important to, if those charges can be proven, that we should bring those charges forth so that we can set a precedent, and future governors will not be able to do things like tell falsehoods to the legislature, which is a direct interference with our ability to carry out our constitutional role. While sexual harassment goes to the persona of this governor, I think many of the other charges go to a certain way of conducting the business of the executive chamber that I think we need to send a message should not be tolerated. So while the sexual harassment allegations were much more profound and disturbing than I imagined and could serve as a basis for impeachment right now, I think it would be good for us to conclude our investigation on the other matters as well. I feel that standing up against abuse of gubernatorial power is as important as standing up against abuse of women. It's important to know that we don't decide the guilt or innocence of the governor. Our role is to determine probable cause to believe that there was an abuse of power. And given the thoroughness of the Attorney General's investigation, it's very difficult to imagine that there wouldn't be probable cause on that one issue. But having been a prosecutor, when you're doing an indictment and you're getting ready for trial, you don't limit the charges to only the one violation of law. If there's 5 violations of law, you put them all in there. Part of the goal here would be, if the time comes when the governor sees that we're ready, willing, and able to put him on trial, and that he doesn't have the votes to continue in office, it might encourage him to resign.